हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सिनर्जी मरीन ग्रुप टुडे. अगर कोई कंपनी इज one company which is going at a very fast pace, that is Synergy Marine Group. They have done a tremendous job. The only thing is when you move very fast, sometimes some challenges do come, and if you own them, you do wonders. Like recently that Dali ship incident which happened, and Synergy shipping company might have gone through a lot of turmoil phase, but I guess they will come back stronger, bigger and better. So let's just know about their journey today. So Synergy Marine Group, guys, so it's a management shipping company. It was started by our very own Indian guys. We should be very awesomely proud about, by Captain Rajesh Unni. We'll be talking about him in this video. We'll be knowing about his journey. We'll be talking about how many ships do they have, how they started this journey. To be very honest, one such a day will be amazing when I would be able to do a podcast with Captain Rajesh Unni. Mata Rani, please ho. Next, please. So guys, 2006 this company was started. It became the second largest ship manager in a very short span of time. So Anglo-Eastern, when it started in 1974, 32 years later Synergy started, 32 years later, and today they are the second largest ship manager. They have 2005 plus shore staff, 24 offices all across the world, spanned over 14 countries, 23,000 plus number of seafarers connected with them, 250 plus mariners and chief engineers. I guess this is the wrong number, it should be much more because they have got a lot number of ships. Let's move ahead. So guys, Synergy at a glance. 2006 they started with just 4 ships. कौन कहते हैं चमत्कार नहीं होता, miracles do not happen, but it requires a lot of hard work as well. Maybe someday if Rajesh Unni sir comes and we talk together, it will be like a dream come true and he can tell us what kind of tough times he faced. So guys, 2010 they had 20 ships, 2012 they had 50 ships, 2014 they had 116 ships, 2016 they had 188 ships, 2018 they had 249 ships, 2020 they had 358 ships, 2023 they had 640 ships, and 2024 today they stand at 682 ships. Guys, this is before the Dali incident, what happened. We do not have the updated report, but again, all the companies, big, huge, they do face such incidents and then they come out stronger and bigger. This is what I know. Let's move ahead. Presently, they have 291 tankers, 295 bulk carriers, 44 containers, 47 LPGs, 5 LNGs. Guys, let's move ahead. So let's talk about the founder Rajesh Unni, who is a proud alumni of T.S. Chanakya, a Sainik school student who came from a very humble background. So southern state, he is from Kerala. Father was a government employee, mother was a housewife. Grew up in a middle class family. चीजें थी but not in affluence, but dreams were bigger. They never lacked necessities but were not raised in affluence. He is very humble today itself, very grateful. I've talked to a lot of people and they have very good high regards for him. They say he's very hardworking, very dedicated, makes huge promises and gives his best shot to deliver them as well. So again, he was awarded full merit at Sainik School, Trivandrum, one of the prestigious military schools. At school, he excelled in both academics and sports and served as school captain. Now, this is where I tell people that extracurricular activities do matter. And if you do that, you become a leader. And when you become a leader, you can lead a big company. Not people like me, जो कि ना तो कभी leader बने, ना कभी school captain बने, ना कभी college में कुछ बने. So this is where if you are young, if you have big dreams, start honing your skills right now. Formative years at Sainik School made him disciplined. Then T.S. Chanakya was a great place to learn, explore and grow in life. So as far as I know, guys, I do not know how true is this. He was with a company, then he became a captain very fast, then he became a marine superintendent. As far as I know, isko main aap quote mat kijiyega. And then he made some amazing good connections with ship owners. That is why you come to shore, to make connections. He had a vision in mind, then he made amazing good connections, and then he started his own company. And this is where he is today with his hard work and dedication. So guys, networking matters, hard work matters, big dreams matter, vision matter. Do you have all those? You can become the next Rajesh Unni, Captain Rajesh Unni. So global footprint is Singapore, India, Philippines, Myanmar, China, Hong Kong, Korea, Japan, Australia, UAE, Denmark, Indonesia, Germany, US. Let's move ahead. भैया पूरी दुनिया में है. Let's move ahead. So they have got technical superintendents, marine superintendents, So if you want to come to shore after becoming captain chief here, you have got ample opportunities. Many of my batchmates are technical superintendents right now. And if you want to become Rajesh Unni, next Rajesh Unni, you have to become one of these. Show your work to ship owners, do an amazing job, make good connect, and then maybe start your own shipping company and keep working hard. Let's move ahead. Acha, if you want to get selected in Synergy, again an awesome shipping company, they have their own test for DNS, ETO, GP rating and GME candidates in the month of June or July. We at Merchant Navy Decoded, please subscribe our YouTube channel. We keep updating you when the forms are coming and how to study for them. With this, all I want to say is, if you really want to know more, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website. If you're an aspirant, go check in the eligibility calculator कि क्या आप Synergy के लिए eligible है कि नहीं है. Do you want to join Synergy or not? If you have got any query, please WhatsApp at this number. We will be there to help you. You can also contact on this email ID, preferably on the WhatsApp number. Follow me at Chief Engineer Praneeth on Instagram. Subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you're on LinkedIn, please join LinkedIn and follow me there as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.